Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the iPhone 15 for Verizon Prepaid. So the iPhone 15 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. You guys will have 5 colors to choose from there: pink, yellow, blue, black, and green. 3 storage options: 128 gigs, 256 gigs, or 512 gigabytes. As I'm recording this video, the 512 gigabyte version is not in stock, so keep that in mind. So the 128 gigabyte iPhone 15, $829.99. 256 gigabyte iPhone 15, $929.99. The 512 gigabyte iPhone 15, $1129.99. So yeah. So here's the iPhone 15. There it is, and it's all colored, and looks like that's all we're gonna see on the phone. Front and back of the phone there. So y'all guys have your code out there for your dynamic island. Power button on the right side of the phone, volume keys on the left side of the phone. Dual camera setup, camouflage Apple logo. The iPhone 15 is 2.82 inches in width, 5.81 inches in height. There, 80 hours of usage time. 48 megapixel main camera, f1.6 aperture. Sensor shifts optical image stabilization, 100% focal focus pixels, support for super high resolution photos. So I guess the dual camera is 24 megapixels and 48 megapixels, I guess, so pretty interesting there. iPhone 13 brings you dynamic island, a 48 megapixel main camera, and USB-C. All in a durable color infused glass and aluminum design. I wish Verizon would make the text bigger because it's so small. But anyways, the iPhone 15 has the dynamic island. Comes to iPhone 15, like I just said. All that is new for the lower end iPhones, you could say. Dynamic island bubbles up alerts and live activity so you don't miss them while you are doing something else. You can see who's calling, check your next ride, check your flight status, and so much more. Innovative design. Basically, the iPhone 15 line is basically like the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Basically, that's basically what it is. All the iPhone 15s this year have dynamic island, of course, so that's new to all the new iPhones this year. iPhone 15 features a durable color infused glass and aluminum design. It's splash water and dust resistant. The ceramic shield front is tougher than any smartphone glass. Apple says it every fucking year. Find the 6.1 inch Super Retina XDR display is up to 2 times brighter and sun compared to iPhone 14. 48 megapixel main camera with 2 times telephoto. Alright. The 48 megapixel main camera shoots in super high resolution, so it's easier than ever to take standout photos with amazing detail. The 2 times optical quality telephoto lets you frame the perfect close-up. Next generation portraits. Capture portraits with dramatically more detail and color. Just up the shift the focus. Okay, I fucked that up. It says just tap to shift the focus between subjects even after you take the shot. Powerhouse A16 Bionic chip. The super fast chip powers advanced features like computeral photography, fluid dynamic island transitions, and voice isolation for phone calls. An A16 Bionic is incredibly efficient to help deliver great all-day battery life. That was the chipset for the iPhone 14 line last year, so that's interesting. USB-C connectivity that is needed to the iPhone 15 line. The USB-C connector lets you charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable you use to charge iPhone 15 Plus. You can even use iPhone 15 Plus to charge Apple Watch or AirPods. Vital safety features. If your car breaks down when you're off the grid, you can get help with roadside assistance via satellite. And if you need emergency services and you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, you can use emergency SOS via satellite. With crash detection, iPhone can detect a severe car crash and call for help if you can't. So very nice features to have. Designed to make a difference. iPhone comes with privacy protections to help keep you in control of what. Says iPhone comes with privacy protections to help keep you in control of your data. It's made from more recycled materials to minimize environmental impact, and it has built-in features that make iPhone more accessible to all. Comes with Apple Care warranty. Every iPhone comes with a 1-year limited warranty and up to 90 days of complimentary technical support. Get Apple Care or Apple Care Plus. Oh, okay, it says get Apple Care Plus or get Apple Care Plus with theft and loss to extend your coverage. So that's pretty cool. Specs. The iPhone 15 has it weighs 6.02 ounces. 4 color options: black, blue, green, yellow, pink. That's actually 5 colors, my bad. Screen Super Retina XDR display, 6.1 inches. OLED display, 2556 by 1179 pixel resolution. iOS 17, up to 20 hours of video playback. Height 5.81 inches. Width 2.82 inches. Depth 0.31 inches. There's your dimensions there. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Up to 80 hours of audio playback. Wi-Fi, of course. 5G nationwide. 5G ultra wideband. Accessibility shortcut. Siri. Guided access per app setting. It has accessibility settings in there. Here and there compatibilities. Rear camera 48 megapixel main. f1.6 aperture. Shift optical image stabilization. 100% focus pixels. Support for super high resolution photos. Storage 128 gigs, 256 gigs. 5 GB of storage. Front camera 12 megapixel with f1.9 aperture. True depth front camera. If you guys need help with your iPhone 15, Verizon is here to help you out with that. It says Verizon support. Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So what comes in the box is your iPhone 15 USB-C charging cable. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick for that and your documentation. So send the stuff in the box there. So yeah, there you guys have it. The iPhone 15 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. All color options are in stock as I'm looking at the 120 GB version. The 512 GB version is not in stock as I'm recording this video here, so keep it in mind. So yeah, the iPhone 15, there you go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.